Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on our latest portable gasoline or diesel heaters. So, just like our standalone heaters, we use a proprietary combustion chamber design that enables us to run really well on both gasoline and diesel, even at the very high elevations. So, first thing, the ducting is magnetically attached. Just like that, magnetically attached, so it's very easy to set up. All the fuel ports have dry brake. This is the fuel line that we supply with you. Just connects right in, just like that. And when you unplug it, you're not going to drip in gas or diesel everywhere. The can is detachable. You do not have to use our can. A lot of people are already carrying spare gas can on their vehicle. So we sell a kit we call the Bring Your Own Can Kit. So pretty much, it's a custom-made cap with a pickup tube and a dry brake. So they can put this into any of your roto packs, and you can just keep using your own can with a much bigger capacity. Here's the power. So this is a power cable that connects to it. It's all aviation plug and waterproofed. You just it plugs right in, just like that. On the other end, there's an XC60, or we can also come with a secret lighter adapter. We specifically programmed the heater to be able to run on the standard 12-volt 10-amp secret lighter socket, so any portable power station will be able to power this heater. Here is your thermostat extension port. You can either leave the thermostat inside the heater and then control with your phone, or you can run an extension wire, which connects right here, and then run the thermostat inside your tent. So this way you get the carbon monoxide alarm, as well as it will be actually control the temperature for you, so it's not cooking you in the middle of the night. And that's it. Feel free to leave comments or let us know if you have any questions about our portable heater. Thank you.